Good day, we are Paradar family and today we're gonna share you the information and the tips how to prevent the coronavirus. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. And did you know that most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment? And did you know, on December 31, 2019, who was informed of cases of pneumonia of unknown cause in Wuhan City, China? A novel coronavirus was identified as the cause by Chinese authorities on 7 January 2020 and was temporarily named 2019 nCoV.
Did you know that coronavirus can affect our kidney? Some people suffering with severe cases of COVID-19 are showing signs of kidney damage, even those who had no underlying kidney problems before they were infected with the coronavirus. Early reports say that up to 30% of patients hospitalized with COVID-19 in China and New York develop moderate or severe kidney injury. Reports from doctors in New York are saying the percentage could be higher. Signs of kidney problems in patients with COVID-19 include high levels of protein in the urine and abnormal blood work. The virus itself infects the cells of the kidney. Kidney cells have receptors that enable the new coronavirus to attach to them, invade, and make copies of itself, potentially damaging those tissues. Similar receptors are found on cells of the lungs and heart, where the new coronavirus has been shown to cause injury.
Avoid COVID-19 virus, always use alcohol to disinfect the bacteria. Always use face shield to protect you from virus. And always use face mask to protect you from saliva.
To protect ourselves from the virus, we must follow the protocols. First, observe social distancing. You must 6 feet away from each other. Second, stay at home. Third, we must wear face shield, face mask at all time. Third, we must wear face shield, face mask at all time.